Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on some more specific details of using the Rich Content Editor or the RCE on Canvas. And this is the editor that you will use to pretty much change everything you create within Canvas. Everything from just a regular page to your home page to your assignments, quizzes, and discussions. Use this same editor to help you add text, add files, and embed information within that item for the students to use. So I just wanted to give you some details on it. I am starting from the creation of an assignment just because I wanted you to see what this editor looks like. Now the top of the editor right here on the left looks very similar to pretty much any word processing program that you would use, like Google Docs and Microsoft Word. You cannot change the font style, but you can change the size of the font, the heading style. You can make your font bold or italicized. You can underline it. You can change the text color. You can change the background color of your text, like a highlighter. You can do superscript, and the little arrow helps you do that, or subscript. And then your next set of tools are going to be helping you edit the alignment and the formatting. So you can change whether you want it aligned to the left, to the right, or to the center. You can use bulleted or numbered or ordered list. It's up to you. You've got lots of options here by clicking on the little down arrow or caret. You can increase the indent. You can change the directionality, and you can see you've got some options there. And if you are ever confused about what these tools mean, you can hover over them, meaning just move your mouse over it but don't click, and a description of that tool will pop up and tell you what it does. Now these tools over on the far right are what's going to help you add some rich content for your students to access. The first one is a link option, and in this you can use external link to link to outside websites. Or you can use course links to link to other places within Canvas. So that's what links does. Then you have the images option, and this is where you can upload images from your computer. You can search for images in Unsplash, which is a copyright-free image search, or you can use images that you've already uploaded in the past to this course. So primarily you're going to either upload, you're going to select upload images. And again, you can click and drag from your computer, or you can use Unsplash to search. Or if you know the URL or the web address of your picture, you can copy and paste it into there. And that's how you use upload photos. The next option is regarding media, and you can actually record and upload media right within the Rich Content Editor. By selecting upload/record media, you have a few options. If you have a video or audio file already saved on your computer, you can add it right here. If you would like to record a new message for your students, you can hit the record button, and it turns on the camera. Or you can hit the embed button, and that is where you would copy and paste the embed code from a video that's posted on the internet. You can also use this next little tool to upload something that's, again, already saved on your computer, for example, a PDF. So if you click on Upload Document, it lets you choose one from your computer. Make sure that in any of these, once you have the file that you like, click Submit. Now you've got these three dots over on the right. You can clear the formatting of everything that you've typed. You can add a table if that's something that would help with your assignment or with your content. You can insert a math equation, Or you can insert an outside app. Now this tool is going to be very helpful, especially if you are a heavy Google user. If you have created a lot of things in Google Docs, specifically for maybe Google Classroom, you can embed those same documents into your rich content editor for your students to access. So if you click on the little plug, you'll see the different apps that you have available to you. So Google, this first one, allows you to search your Google Drive and pull in documents to Canvas. So if you click on the word Google, it's actually going to bring up your Google Drive. And once you find what you want to embed, like a document, I'll embed my 5th grade helper. You can click embed, which actually brings in a picture, like an image of the document for students to scroll through. Or you can include a link, which links to an outside Google Drive page. And you will see I've chosen to embed it, and this is what it's going to look like for students. They can actually scroll through that document and see it within the rich content editor. That same plug tool can be used for other options as well. This Google Drive LTI is still in beta. It's not something that you necessarily want to mess with right now. There are other ways to embed Google documents like I just showed you. You can include an Office 365 document if that's something that you use, and you can pull in items from your studio. So if you are recording videos in your studio and you have them saved and you want to include them in your assignment or page, you would click on the word studio, and it brings you to all the videos that you have saved in that collection, and you can select it. You can decide whether or not you want to allow comments or allow students to download the video. Hit the embed button, and it will add it. Now, it's really important to keep in mind that whatever you're trying to add is going to go exactly where you click within the content editor. So if you happen to have if you maybe did some type. See, I've got my typing is showing up over here because it's going to show up next to this window. So, hi, this is my page. So if I wanted to put a video between the word this and is, I want to click there and then go back to that plug and insert a video. So it's really important where you click, because that's where you're going to insert this stuff. It doesn't just go to the end of your content. It kind of goes wherever your mouse is. So make sure you're really careful about where you click. Once you are happy with everything you've included in the rich content editor, you will scroll down to the bottom of whatever it is you're creating and hit save. And after you do that, you will see that the content that you have added is now saved onto that assignment or page and is ready to be viewed by your students. I hope this tutorial on the rich content editor was helpful. And as always, I'm here to help.